Audio Jungle. Welcome to Galaxy Technology Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Lam Adra Jr., and today I'll be making a presentation on Introduction to Mac OS. Mac OS is the name of the operating system that powers all Apple's Macintosh computers like Windows on PCs. The software handles system functions, applications, and hardware controls. It supports multiple development technologies, including Unix and Java. The OS was introduced in 1984 for Macintoshes personal computers. The advantages of Mac OS are that it has fewer virus attacks, good customer support, good performance, and long life. It can also run on Windows. Mac OS can be used to browse the internet, check your email, edit digital photos, listen to music, and play games. Mac OS is also used in some offices because it gives you access to productivity tools such as calendars, word processors, and spreadsheets. The operating system supports various social media apps such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. macOS offers security features such as screen locks, encryption, and remote wipe 1. The operating system supports multitasking, allowing users to run multiple applications simultaneously and integrate well with Apple's family of mobile devices like the iPhone and iPad. In conclusion, with new updates and features that will continue to make it one of the most innovative and user-friendly operating systems, the future of Mac OS is as bright as the Apple logo itself. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.